Hello chaps. Today I'm excited to unbox and review the DJI RC controller. This is supposed to work with all the latest DJI consumer drones. This controller has a built-in screen, a long battery life and a sleek design. Let's see what's inside the box and how it performs in action. As you can see, the box is pretty compact and minimalist. It has the DJI logo and the RC name on the front, and some specifications on the back. Inside the box, we have the controller itself, wrapped in a protective plastic cover, a USB-C cable for charging and connecting to your computer or phone, a pair of control sticks that you can attach to the controller or store in the backside slots, and some papers. The controller feels kinda light and flimsy in the hand. While it seems like a cheap and light plastic material, but the build quality and the grip is good. It takes approximately 20 seconds to boot into ready state. The screen is 5.5 inches and has a resolution of 1080p. It's bright and sharp, and you can adjust the brightness and contrast settings in the menu. The screen also has an anti-glare coating, which is great for outdoor use. There are two shoulder buttons, a shutter button and a record button. The shutter button has a half-press function that allows you to focus the camera. The record button starts or stops recording videos. There are also two dials for tilt and zoom and two function buttons on the back, C1 and C2. The function button can be customized to perform different actions, such as switching between modes, taking photos or videos, or adjusting camera settings. The power button also doubles as a battery indicator, showing you how much juice you have left. The return to home button will bring your drone back to its takeoff point if you lose signal or encounter an emergency. The pause button will stop your drone in midair if you need to avoid an obstacle or take a break. The controller also has two joysticks that control the movement of your drone. They are very responsive and smooth, and you can adjust their sensitivity and expo settings in the menu. The joysticks can be detached from the controller and stored in the slots at the bottom, which is convenient for transportation and storage. The controller has internal antennas that are built into the RC itself. They are used to communicate with your drone via O3 Sync 3.0. It offers a range of up to 10 kilometers, 6 miles, in ideal conditions, and supports dual-frequency switching for more stable and reliable signal. It also allows you to stream live video from your drone's camera to your controller's screen at 1080p resolution and 30 fps. The controller has a built-in 5200 mAh battery that can last up to 4 hours on a single charge. You can charge it via the USB-C port on the bottom, which also supports fast charging. You can also use this port to connect your controller to your computer or phone, if you want to use DJI Assistant or DJI Fly apps for firmware updates, data transfer or other features. Now let's take this controller for a spin and see how it works with my DJI Air 2S drone. The screen will show me some basic information about my drone's status, such as battery level, GPS signal, flight mode, altitude, distance and speed. It will also show me a live view from my drone's camera, which looks amazing on this screen. The controller feels very comfortable and intuitive to use. I can easily control my drone's movement with the joysticks. The new shutter button can now be half-pressed for focus. I can also tilt the camera with the gimbal dial, pause my flight with the pause button, but I cannot use the zoom dial because I like to film in 5.4K quality. Under direct sunlight the screen is as bright as you can get and the glare is minimal. The video quality is great, with vivid colors and sharp details. The transmission is also very stable and reliable, thanks to O3 Sync 3.0 technology. I can fly my drone far and high, without worrying about losing signal or video feed. The controller also has a built-in speaker, which will alert me of any warnings or notifications, such as low battery, obstacle detection or flight restriction zones. It does not have a built-in microphone, but you can connect external USB mic. In comparison to previous model remote controller, the new DJI RC is lighter, more compact, ergonomic and more hassle-free. The main con of the new controller is the relatively long boot time, so if you want a faster ready-to-fly time, you should stick to the old controller. Overall, I enjoy using the DJI RC controller. It's a neat accessory and a cool update for your drone kit. It's convenient and functional, without the need for a separate phone or tablet. It's easy to use, durable and light. However, this controller is not without flaws. It does not have built-in mic and the local storage is only 8 GB, the boot time is long, the joysticks are too high, inability to install apps. These are just some of them. But, if you don't mind paying 4 times this price, you can always buy the Pro version controller. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.